Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pie mythical. To achieve a truly legendary pie, begin by sourcing exceptional ingredients. Think about rare fruits or unique spices that will set your creation apart. Next, focus on crafting a crust that is both flaky and rich, perhaps using a special butter or a unique fat. Finally, consider how to present your pie in a way that captivates and delights, making it an experience, not just a dessert. The foundation of any mythical pie is its crust. Start with very cold, high-quality butter, cut into small pieces, and quickly incorporate it into your flour mixture. This ensures a tender, flaky texture. Avoid overworking the dough. Gentle handling is key. After chilling for at least 30 minutes, roll it out evenly. Blind baking for 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit prevents a soggy bottom, ensuring a perfect base for your filling. Now, let's talk about the heart of your mythical pie, the filling. Don't be afraid to experiment with unusual flavor combinations, perhaps a hint of cardamom with berries, or a touch of ginger with peaches. Always prioritize fresh, seasonal ingredients for the most vibrant taste. To achieve the perfect consistency, thicken your filling naturally with a small amount of cornstarch or tapioca, ensuring it sets beautifully without being too runny or too firm. Finally, the presentation transforms a great pie into a mythical one. Consider an elaborate lattice top or perhaps a decorative crimped edge. Garnish with fresh herbs, edible flowers, or a dusting of powdered sugar to add visual appeal. Serve your masterpiece slightly warm, perhaps with a generous dollop of homemade vanilla bean whipped cream or a scoop of artisanal ice cream. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.